Oh, geez. Oh my gosh. What's up guys, Dakota from CGL Fishing here. In today's video, we're gonna try to catch some big fish with some big bait. I will say today did not go as I thought it would. We did catch some nice fish, but just not in the way I thought. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, please like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and always check out www.lakewylifishing.com to see where to fish, lake reports, and where you can rent gear so you can come out and do this exact same thing that I'm doing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, we got this stupid big bait. I'm gonna take a picture of this. This is too much. Yep.
Anything in there big enough to catch that, I gotta come help.
There's definitely something big enough. Thank you, buddy. That was ridiculous. That's huge. I think the bait weighed more than the bobber. If we catch something on that, it's gonna be just stupid. It looks like a carp, but it's a native species, just called a buffalo. It's a sucker.
I guess it's freshwater.
Yep. This is a piece of the same buffalo.
Okay.
They got real big scales.
Now that is a cat.
Thank you. Oh shoot. Dag nabbit.
Shoot, Daddy.
I felt him, and as soon as I said it, I knew I'd missed it.
Shoot.
Yeah. He may be coming back though. He's back. He's back.
We got catfish. We got catfish.
Come on, buddy. Give me a peck.
Come on, buddy. Don't worry, Daddy. I help. I help you, Daddy.
Okay. You may have got the bait.
And then I feed the duckies.
See him
I mean,
nibbling.
feed the duckies.
Oh, we got him that time.
I feed the duckies. I feed the duckies.
You're feeding the duckies. We got a fish.
Oh, that's all. That's all.
Yeah.
I went faster. It can't fit me.
Yep, it's perch.
That perch. Wow, look at that.
Wow, look at it.
Look at it.
Oh, he swallowed the hook.
It's full the hook. It's full
Yeah, well, we got it back in our bait.
Let's get back.
And sit over there.
Mama.
We are definitely going to keep him. We're going to try to take advantage of the perch run this year. Yeah.
Good cast, Daddy.
Thank you. Already getting hit. He's just running the wrong way with it. I don't know if we got him. Yeah, stop missing fish. That's a long way to reel in.
Hey, Daddy, got catfish.
Yeah?
We got it's a perch.
There we go.
There's a perch. We got perch.
We did. I don't know if he's on there or not. I can't feel. He may be on there. He's a little one if he is. Yeah, he's on there.
He's on there.
Yep, we got him. Oh, oh, look at that.
What's that?
He's putting up a little fight when he gets closer to the bank here, or the pier. They ain't a big one. Oh, it's right in the eye.
It's a huge perch.
We ended up hooking him in the eye.
It's a huge perch.
It's a huge perch. I don't know if I'd say huge, but it's definitely a perch. When we go in the car.
The perch?
In the car.
The car?
Yeah.
The paper floating.
Yeah, we got him.
Yeah, like that. Daddy. Got him, Daddy.
Seriously? I hope they didn't just run through my lines. Doesn't look like any are moving right now, but golly. Can't even enjoy reeling in a fish. It's a little sunfish.
It's getting dark.
Man, that's a perfect bait size fish.
It's getting real dark. It's getting real dark. It's getting real dark now.
I think we're gonna put him on. We got buffalo on all three of the cap poles right now, and I'm definitely interested to see how it does, but so far hasn't done much. Yep, getting really dark. So, since we got bites on that one, we're not gonna pull that one in. And we're not gonna pull the big head in. We'll pull this one in, which there are downsides to that, because this is not the one I want to be reeling in a gigantor fish on necessarily, but I'm hoping if we catch a flathead, it's a gigantor one, of course. It's definitely capable. I just don't. It's not my favorite catfishing reel.
It came off.
Oh yeah?
Hey, where's the meat?
I saw a bite.
Hey, why you taking it out?
I'm definitely gonna try the buffalo again. I'm just so far not
Take that picture.
sure about the results we've had with it. But it's not got dark yet, so do not catch a whole lot of catfish before dark usually. You know, you get your 1s and 2s. I have caught some nice catfish before dark, but after dark's when it really gets hot, so. But I'll be surprised if that doesn't catch one. Man, I just missed a huge... No, I didn't. He's there. He's there. We did get him. It was a big old bite. He was swimming with me for a second. Let's see. He ain't that big. I mean, he's not a bad sized one, but golly, the way he hit it, you would think he was like 3 times this size, which is pretty typical of these guys. They hit hard. Alright. We're taking fish home tonight. Stocking up on some bait. Yeah, we got him. Wow, that's a nice feeling fish. I don't know what it is, but he feels nice. He's biting harder than anything else we've caught today. I hear him on top of the water. I don't see him yet. There he is. What is that? I think it is a catfish. Yep.
Little cat?
Yeah, a little tiny cat. Little channel cat. These are the kind that end up stinging you because you can't get a hold of them.
Right. Wow.
All right, get off. He tried to get me.
Yep. I remember fishing for those in Minnesota with my dad.
Oh yeah.
They grab them a certain way.
Yep. I don't mind the big ones. They don't really stab you.
Oh, see, I don't know if I really caught a little one like that.
Oh, those little ones, they'll get you.
You can't get your
Buddy?
oh, that GoPro?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
I got a YouTube channel.
oh, you do?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Let's see if we got all those lights turned on for us. What do we got here? It's
Brother.
oh my gosh,
No, that's
big old perch.
perch.
Yeah, it's a big old perch.
Yeah, look at
That's a nice perch right there.
that. Wow.
I might weigh him, just see. I don't think he's the biggest one I caught yet, but he's pretty big.
Oh, wow.
If I was going home right now, I would take him home and fillet him up because these are good eating.
Yeah, with your light, I can kind of see through the fish.
Yeah, I can't get the hook out of his mouth. They're good eating.
Fish.
Oh, geez. Yeah,
Fish. We got fish.
we got him. It feels nice too.
Got fish. Got fish, Daddy. Got
I
fish, Daddy.
seriously doubt this is another perch.
We got fish, Daddy.
Yeah, we got a fish. So we can get him away from the pier. Jeez, he is just kicking and flopping. Feels more like a small catfish. Let's see. And I can't tell. Yep, catfish. It's a small catfish.
It's a big one.
Is that a big one?
Uh-huh.
I don't think it's a big one.
It's
The last one of these little turds
exciting.
cut my arm and my hand up.
We got a catfish.
Yeah, we got a catfish.
It's way more.
We managed to release him without Dad getting stabbed.
I get a big weird stab.
Yeah. Oh, geez. Oh my gosh. I don't know what we got here, but he is not going to make this easy. Oh my gosh.
Peekaboo.
I don't want to put too much pressure on him because there's a boat over there. I don't want him really getting any closer to that boat, but I get the feeling I'm not going to get much of a choice in where he goes. Hey, swim with me. Did he just pop? No, he didn't. He's right there. He's right there. He's just kicking and turning and coming this direction. Oh, geez. On a little red worm. I don't know what we got here, but it's feeling like probably a blue. Feels heavy. And he's definitely got some power. Yep, there he goes again. I don't want to put too much pressure on him. Last time we had one that spit the hook, and I don't want to do that again if we can avoid it. I want to land this one. A little ultralight. Poor little ultralight. It's abused. We got a big fish, Ethan. All right, where's he at? We're getting close here. I should be able to see him soon. There he is. Yep, big old blue. Yeah, that's a nice fish. That's a decent fish. We're gonna have to really tire this one out.
I'm okay.
All right, well, be careful. Oh, this way, bud. Come on. E.T., why don't you get the net?
Okay, I need some.
Oh, jeez. Oh, this way, bud. You got the net?
Uh-huh.
All right, good job. Thank you.
Hold that, Daddy.
Hold on, let me get the fish ready.
No.
That's a safe direction. All right, look out.
Okay.
This is crazy. He just paid out a bunch of line again, so we're gonna have to work him back. Not as much worried about the line on this as I am the hook. Because if you fight them too hard on these little Aberdeen hooks that I use for bait, you'll bend the hook out and then you'll lose the fish. Nope, not under the pier though. I will fight you on that. Okay. Don't kick around too much at the top. Ooh. Come this way, bud. We got him close. The net's right here. If I can just get him to swim over this net, we'll yank it up real quick. Turn him this way. Come on, bud. Okay, come on. They do that turning and flipping and acting crazy. There he is. There he is. No. I didn't have enough tension on the net. Ugh. Jeez. All right, come here. Okay. This way, bud. Come this way. Come this way. You got it right. You got it right. Right on the net. Got him.
Wow,
all right.
Look at this. Look at that.
We got him.
Ooh.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Look at that.
Jeez. Look at that.
Look at that.
That's probably my best fish on an ultralight.
It's bigger.
Whew.
It says I don't see it.
You see it?
Huh? I mean, play it.
It's a big one, huh?
That's a cool one. It's
It touches belly.
huh? It's dirty. It's covered in slime.
Definitely a fun sizer, especially on this light tackle.
Belly. A waffle belly. Ow,
Look at this. Hook right in the corner of the mouth.
Oh, that's so slimy.
Let's see if we can get this hook out. There we go. Got the hook out.
Look, I hook it out.
Sometimes if they're in there that
out.
good, it's hard to get them out. All right.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, he's good. That's at least 8 pounds, maybe 10.
Sorry.
Hear him croaking?
Huh?
That's pretty cool, huh?
It's Gato.
Ugh. No, I don't think we need to weigh this one.
Go
You ready? We're gonna let him go.
Go.
All right, here we go.
Bye-bye, fishy.
Swam right off.
Let's catch another fishy.
You want to catch another fishy?
Uh-huh.
Well, we'll give it a shot.